welcome back to my channel. I am Pari. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I'm here to catch up with you guys. I know I've been MIA for a month, and I think if you watched my previous videos, you'll know that I had my exams going on, so I couldn't film or edit or upload anything, and I'm so sorry. And I'm really grateful for all of you for being supportive, for being here. And I have so many friends who have been asking me like, when's your next video coming up? We are waiting, and I'm so grateful to all of you. So yeah, I'm back.
Bong bong bong.
La 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 la. La 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 la. So today we'll talk about what is up with my channel and what would I be posting in the next few months or weeks, and what I've been up to up until now in the last 1 month that I've been MIA, and just catch up with you guys. So the first thing is my exams are completed. Yay! 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 And I have finally graduated. So I'm a graduate now. Yay! I'm so happy. Like, I couldn't wait for this moment. And now that it's here, I also kind of feel like kind of sad because it's over. And I feel a bit sad because now I won't be meeting my friends and I won't be going to college. I mean, I have postgraduate to do. Obviously, a graduate's nothing these days. But I just feel a bit sad about it, and it's fine. I mean, it's worth it in the end. I'm happy. I'm so happy that I've graduated and I'm here. So, yay! And also, I've been shopping a lot. So in the past 1 month, I've shopped so much. So I've bought so many skincare products and nail paints and a lot of books. Like, I have a box here, right here, and it's entirely filled with books. So yeah, I am so excited and I cannot wait to show you guys what I bought. So I'll do a separate video for that because I don't want to inculcate it in this, because in this video I just want to talk to you guys and share my happiness and talk to you about what's going to be up on my channel in the next few weeks. So I have so many videos planned, like in the few days or the entire month that I wasn't here. I've had so many ideas, and I wrote them all down in a book. Like, I think you can see the book right here. Like, I wrote them down and I was like, yeah, when my exams are over, I'll just film this or I'll film that. And yeah, it has been so fun, and I've been so excited to come back and start making videos again, and it just makes me so happy. I missed you guys for real. I mean, did you guys miss me? Did you? I hope you did. So yeah, also, like, there are so many different kinds of videos that I've planned. So there's videos about health, and there's videos about fashion, and there's videos with my friends and challenges and my sister or family, and also there are like a few just sitting with you guys and chatting like this, like talking and conversing and telling you guys about various things that's going on with me. So yeah, there are all these kinds of videos coming up, and I hope you're as excited as me to watch these videos. And yes, I'm so happy to be back. Like, I've said this so many times already, like in the video. Like, I think I should put up a counter here. But I've said it already, but I'm so excited. I missed you guys so much. Like, if you were a real person, I'd be like, also, I got a new pair of glasses. So I think by the next video you wouldn't be seeing these ones. There would be a different one, and I think it's not important. Like, you do not need to know. It's a TMI. And maybe you wouldn't even recognize it. Like, you wouldn't even know that they are different because they are not that different. If I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know maybe. but I just wanted to let you know. Oh, and I formatted my entire Instagram. Yes, I did. So I archived all my posts actually. I did not delete them because I'm one of those people who's very undecisive and is like, what if I want to get all my feedback again? What if I regret deleting all of the posts? So, like, to be on the safer side, I'm like, let's just archive it. So, if you want to bring your feedback again, you can. But I don't think I'll be doing that. And I've been making a lot of reels too with my sister. Like, almost every Sunday, I and my sister make a reel and post it. And I actually wanted to make more videos and post like more than once a week. But then the thing is, my sister is working in HR and like she works here all the day. And I only get like Sundays to film because then she has her phone on all day long and I cannot film if there's a lot of noise around me. So I think for now I'll just keep one video per week, but if that changes anytime soon, I'll like let you guys know. Also, I just wanted an opinion from you guys. So I have been thinking to cut my hair and like get them like really short, like up until here, and I have two haircuts in my mind. Just wanted to ask you guys if you want me to keep my long hair or if you guys want me to go and get my hair chopped off and like get shorter hair, because I actually, to be very honest, I've already made up my mind like 90% of it, and I think before this video goes up I might have even chopped it off. I'll just put up an Instagram poll and ask you guys if you want me to chop my hair off or let them stay long, and then decide if I want to chop it off. I'll most likely chop it off. I don't know. I'm always on a whim. I do things on an impulse. I do. Like Instagram, for example. I don't know. Also, oh yes, I got back in touch with so many of my old friends like from school. I was really like scared to go out and talk to them again because I feel like, what if it's awkward, or what if we don't connect like we used to do? And I was just like thinking a lot about it, and I posted about it on my Instagram story, and so many of you guys literally just came and literally wrote like even paragraphs, like long paragraphs to me, and told me that it was okay to go and talk to my friends again, and you guys encouraged me a lot, and I'm so happy for that, and I'm so grateful for that. You guys are amazing. You guys are really amazing. And yeah, so I got back in touch with a lot of my friends. Yay! I'm happy about that too. Like, we hadn't talked in so long, like 2-3 years or more, even with some people, and I was like, oh, even if it was a small conversation, I was like happy with it. So yeah, that is all that has been happening with me, and that is all I wanted to say to you. So my sister and my parents wanted me to sing something while we were talking right now, and I decided why not vlog it. So my sister requested Gulabi Aakhe, and that's one of my most favorite songs, and my dad recommended Ye Chand Sa Roshan Chehra, that song. I don't know the exact title for it, so I'll just search it and I'll write it down here somewhere on the screen, like here, I don't know, here, I don't know. So I'll start with Chand Sa Roshan Chehra because I only know like one verse of it, so I'll just sing that first and then I'll go with Gulabi Aakhe. This seems awkward to start like right away without anything. Okay. ये चांद से रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील से नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया. I only know that much. I only know that much of the song, but I love it so much. It's so fun, you know. Like, okay, I'm gonna keep singing that now. It's going to be in my head all day long now. Now I'll sing Gulabi Aankhein, obviously. Gulabi Aankhein is my favorite song. So, but sometimes I mess up the lyrics. So don't mind me if I read the lyrics and sing. So just bear with me. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया. संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभालना मुश्किल हो गया. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया. दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे, तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे. तुझ पे फिदा तेरे, मैं क्यों हुआ तेरे. आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे. मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा, मैं कहीं का ना रहा. क्या करूँ मैं दिलरुबा, बुरा ये जादू तेरी आँखों का, ये मेरा कातिल हो गया. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया. मैंने सदा चाहा यही दामन बचा लूं हसीनों से मैं. तेरी कसम ख्वाबों में भी बचता फिरा नाज़नीनों से मैं. तौबा मगर मिल गई तुझसे नजर, मिल गया दर्द जिगर. सुन जरा ओ बेखबर, जरा सा हंस के जो देखा तूने, मैं तेरा बिस्मिल हो गया. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया. संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभालना मुश्किल हो गया. So that was it. I sang it. I finally did. Yay! I'm so happy. Singing makes me so happy. Yes. Also, I think I'll be making more music covers too in the future. So if you guys have any song requests that you want me to sing, and if I know the song, or if I don't, I'll learn them. No issues. So comment them down below, and I'll maybe cover them in my videos some of the time. And yes, so that was it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications. Till then, I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Peace.